All right, today we're gonna bring a headphones in. These headphones are for gaming. They have RGB lighting on the side. They got the expendable here, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna show you a little bit more. These are, if you guys can see, it gives you a left and right on the other side. This is left, if you guys can see, and this is right, all right? So this, you can bring it to the front, all right? Has a gooseneck microphone area. Get it closer to yourself. Great, beautiful design. It has all this chrome all around it. Flexibility, look at that flexibility on it. All right, so it's one of those things that they give you a couple options. I'm going to show you guys. All right, so first of all, this is the actual connection that you were going to require. You're going to need, this is for the audio, this is for the RGB lighting. All right, so this is going to be part of the audio that you're going to connect. They also give you extensions. They give you digital extensions in case you have analog to digital. All right, so you got the red and green. I'm going to test it out, and you don't have to use RGB lighting if you want. That's an option, but it's up to you. Mute button, I couldn't find a mute button on this one, to be honest with you. It's just matter of just disconnecting and turning it off. You can actually turn it off from the controller. Volume controls here, on and off button here, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to mute it, just turn it off this way, all right? But I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear your surrounding. We're going to test it out on that part, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So the microphone, if you guys can see, it lights up, RGB light, perfect. I'm bald, so there's plenty of space on the gap, all right? I like the lighting, beautiful LED RGB lighting, if you guys can see that. And it does stretch out a little bit more. If you guys can see, I didn't even stretch it too much in here on this side. So you got plenty of more stretching material in case you have a larger head. But looking pretty good. Very, very comfortable. It fits around my whole ear, if you guys can see that. Like it goes all the way in my ear, like perfect for noise cancellation, to be honest with you, my surroundings and stuff. So if I'm gaming, I'm gonna be able to hear the whole entire thing. Very simple. So